In this video, we will discuss the 5 best iPad Pro M4 cases with keyboard. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. ESR iPad Pro M4 case with keyboard. The ESR iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard is a game changer for those seeking uncompromised productivity. This ingenious accessory seamlessly transforms your iPad into a portable workstation, allowing you to easily transition from browsing to typing. The quick-set magnetic stand boasts ultra-strong magnets that securely combine the case and tablet, enabling you to open the floating cantilever stand to the perfect angle for typing or browsing, ensuring optimal ergonomics and comfort. Versatility is at the core of this design, offering multiple viewing modes to suit your needs. The detachable back case provides instant hands-on access with full body protection, while the raised screen view promotes better posture during extended use, and the portrait mode offers the perfect way to FaceTime. Number 2. QYiiD iPad Pro M4 case with keyboard. The QYiiD iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard is a remarkable accessory that elevates your iPad experience. With its innovative floating cantilever stand design, this magic keyboard allows you to effortlessly adjust the viewing angle to suit your preferences, transforming your iPad into a laptop-like experience in just 1 second. Whether studying, working, painting, reading, or watching videos, this case provides the perfect ergonomic solution for any task. The backlit keyboard is a true marvel, featuring metal scissor-type keys that offer a smooth and accurate typing experience. With 7 color backlit options and 3 brightness modes, you can easily type even in low-light environments, ensuring productivity anytime, anywhere. The multi-touch trackpad further enhances your workflow, allowing you to navigate your iPad with precision and speed. Full multi-touch gesture support redefines productivity, enabling you to edit documents, build presentations, and browse the web with unparalleled efficiency. Number 3. Logitech iPad Pro M4 case with keyboard. Experience unparalleled versatility and functionality with the Logitech iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard. This ingenious accessory offers multiple use modes and infinite possibilities, allowing you to seamlessly transition between typing, sketching, watching videos, reading, or hopping on a video call without removing your iPad Pro from the keyboard case. The flexible kickstand is a standout feature, enabling you to find the perfect angle for any task at hand, while the detachable keyboard grants you the freedom to sketch, watch, or read with total liberty. Elevate your productivity with the large multi-touch trackpad, the biggest yet, providing an intuitive tracking experience. Familiar multi-touch gesture controls let you swipe, pinch, double tap, and more, making navigation a breeze. Number 4. Domeun iPad Pro case with keyboard. Introducing the Domeun iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard, a must-have accessory that elevates your iPad experience to new heights. Prepare to be captivated by the 3-zone 7-color DIY keyboard, which allows you to set your preferred hue from 7 solid backlight options and 3 brightness adjustment modes. The independently configurable 3-zone keyboard adds a stylish touch while optimizing for dim light operation, ensuring a visually pleasing and comfortable typing experience, even in low-light conditions. This case boasts an intelligent multi-touch trackpad, enabling precise control and navigation, seamlessly combining the functionality of a tablet and a computer. Effortlessly edit documents, browse the web, and create presentations at unparalleled speed, bringing unprecedented productivity and convenience to your workflow. Number 5. ZryXal iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard. Introducing the ZryXal iPad Pro 11-inch case with keyboard, a meticulously designed accessory tailored specifically for the 2024 iPad Pro 11-inch M4 model. This protective case offers unparalleled compatibility, ensuring a seamless integration with your device and enhancing your overall experience. One of the standout features of this case is its support for the Pencil Pro and Pencil. With a recessed side groove for magnetic charging and a magnetic clasp, you can securely store and charge your pencil while on the go, ensuring it's always within reach when inspiration strikes.
All product pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.